Hi, this is Glenda, and I wanted to show you how I made these two soap fishes. They're gonna be embeds for a future project, and what I used to make them is soap dough, a small pocket knife, a brow brush and gum, and something with a mesh. In this case, I'm using a pencil holder that has a mesh around it. Oh, and a pen for the eye. Okay, I actually decided to make a green fish, so I switched the soap dough to this green color one that has been colored with French green clay. And pretty much what I need to do is just shape it into an oval. And I do that by just rolling it in between my palms in one direction until I get something like this. Then I need to decide where the head is going to be and where the tail is going to be. This is going to have some red streaks from the red soap that I was handling earlier. I guess I'm going to make this the tail and this is going to be the head. I want to flatten it a little bit, slightly. And then I'm just going to start pinching what will be the top fin. And I'm just pressing the top and shaping this into a fin. And the end, I'm pressing and flattening it. Then I'm going to just cut it in half a little bit, not cut, but just create an indentation so that I can grab each tip and individually just press it into a triangle and then press it flat. Then this part right here, I want to make it thin by pressing on it as well to differentiate it from the rest of the body. Then at the bottom, if you want to make a bottom fin, like this one doesn't have one, but that one does. It's a similar process. I'm going to start just pressing and separating a small portion. And then just try to shape it with my fingers. I'm squeezing a lot and pinching a lot to create these shapes. I'm gonna come back to the top fin to do that. And I'm going to also do the same in the front to create a better shape for the mouth and the head, till I'm left with something like this. Now here I can start adding the texture once I'm happy with the shape. First, I think I'm gonna make the eyes. It's just going to be a small mark with the pen on both sides of the head. Yeah, this one's not too good. There we go. Now if you're gonna place it like this, then you only need to worry about adding texture to the front. I think I'm gonna put mine like this, so I'm going to do both sides. So with the brow comb, I'm going to add texture to the top fin, like that. And if I put it at a diagonal, it may even look better. This soap dough is very soft. It was one of my experiments, and I think I had too much water. So this part is way too soft. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit and come back to it. But I can do the bottom. And I can also do the tail. And then I just need to add the texture of the scales. And I'm gonna do that by pressing it against the mesh. Until I have that texture. I'm gonna try to do the same. Now that I have texture, I'm trying to handle it very softly, very delicately, as to not to lose that texture. Alright, this side is not looking very good, but this one is. I'm happy about this one side. I'm going to reshape the tail and the fin. And now with the pocket knife, I'm going to make the mouth. Just cut in one line here. And if you want to make it a smiling, you point that line upwards. It's gonna look like he's smiling. But anyway, this gives you the general idea. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, you can make them down below. Thank you. Bye.